Welcome back, guys. This is Leland bringing you another TA of the GRT. I do want to go ahead and let you guys know that I really appreciate all the support I've been getting on this channel so far. So please smash that like button, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification. We are bringing great news for you guys today. I want to go ahead and dive into the long-term and the short-term versions of GRT. So this video might be a little bit longer than you guys are expecting. So buckle in, and here we go. I want to talk about this potential symmetrical triangle that we're putting in right now. When the charts become as large as they are right now, as GRT continues to grow, I want to look for patterns. I want to look for patterns to see possible patterns. Where could we possibly go? And I'm going to extend this out a little bit longer so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. So could we be in a giant asymmetrical pattern with a breakout day or a breakout area of around February 9th to the 13th over in this area over here? It's possible. Could GRT come down further and touch support down here, which puts us at about a 29-cent support before we get a resumption back off? I'm not really sure exactly where that will happen, but I just want to go ahead and show you guys the potential of GRT and what we're forming. What's more interesting to me, and a better pattern that I'm finding right now, is this cup and handle formation that we have going on right now, which we've made our cup. We're developing our handle right now, and this is typically the area before we start taking off. If we go ahead and draw our cup and handle, so what we can do is we can take the top of this cup and handle and we can measure from the center of the candle all the way down, not the candle, the cup. And what we can do is we can go out to that breakout point. So we're going to draw it out over here, and we're going to take this line, and let's just say that we have a breakout point of about right there. $1.06 GRT could be expected if this plays out. This is a beautiful formation, very bullish formation that we have going on with our cup and handle. Is that possible? I think so. And I want to go ahead and show you guys why I think we've hit our bottom for now. I could be wrong, but just giving this data, I'm really bullish on it. Now, let's take a look at the MACD. This is on a 4-hour time frame. And since the birth of GRT, this 47 line has acted as support and resistance for GRT throughout its life. You can see we got below it. We couldn't quite hold that resistance. We came back down. We broke above the resistance. We held it right here. We bounced up and then back down, and we were just in this area where we couldn't get above this resistance, and even came down below that 30, and that was a good buying opportunity back here. Since then, we've come up. We hit the resistance over here, couldn't do it. We broke through, and I want you guys to see that these areas are holding up very nicely all the way back here, and we just got a bounce. Now, this is on a 4-hour time frame, so we are going to need this 4-hour candle to finish, which right now we have about 2.5 hours left before that 4-hour candle finishes. I do want to see this bounce off of this 47 area on the RSI. I believe that to be very bullish, and we can start moving our way up. I do want to talk about the MACD as well, as we are currently. We had our cross, our bearish cross that was up here. That's what I notified you guys 2 days ago. I sent out an update for GRT, and I said, hey guys, this is pretty bearish. It was really kind of around Bitcoin and Ethereum kind of stealing the show. And since then, ETH definitely has taken the show, but Bitcoin, and let's just move over to Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin still stuck in its triangle, which is currently trying to break out of this resistance right here. Looks like it's actually kind of getting denied. We do want to get above this area, and I want to see resumption off of there if we're going to get above. But we're not here for Bitcoin. I just want to show you guys that if we get this resumption off and we come test this apex up here, 74% of the way through the asymmetrical triangle, if Bitcoin breaks through, GRT might be hurting a little bit. Bitcoin might take the show for the meantime. So we do want to watch out for something like that as well. A lot of possible scenarios that could affect GRT. That's why it's very hard to do TAs on these brand new tokens, these brand new coins. They have a strong influence on other cryptocurrencies around us. Currently, we are getting a bounce off of this support and resistance. You can see that it was resistance back here, with support right here. We got through it, and it was beautiful. After that, we went straight up. So currently, are bouncing off of that, included with the MACD, as I showed you guys. I'm sorry, not the MACD. On the RSI, we are getting that bounce on the 47 line right here. This is where I think we have bottomed for now, guys. On the short term, let's go ahead and go to the short term. Since we gave the long term, let's find out what we're going to be doing. Let me get rid of some of my lines here. Short term, I want to go ahead and show you guys a fib extension and possibly where we could be going on this very short time frame. Doesn't look huge, right? Compared to the run-up that we've had. Even with this run-up that we had from the very bottom to the very top, we're looking at about 185% gain since that bottom. This pullback doesn't look that big, but if we measure it from the top to the bottom, that's about 30%, almost 30%. It's a significant pullback for a lot of people. If we pull out our fib extension and we see where we're at right now, you can see how well the TA is being respected with these fibs. We came down and we tested this important area, was a 618 line. Getting above that 618 line would be very bullish in the short term over here. We did not. We got rejected. And you can see we played in this channel over here between the green and the yellow line. And that was between 57 cents and 54 cents. We couldn't hold that. We couldn't hold it. We broke down through and we came all the way down to this support at 47 cents. And now we've come up, we've tested it once, and we have tested it twice, and we've got rejected over here. Could we see some further downside? Yes, I do think we could see some further downside. Although I do believe we've hit our bottom over here. That's just my opinion. Don't take it as financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, guys. I'm just some guy on the internet who is providing the data for you guys. So I just wanted to show you guys this stuff for the short term. Let's go ahead and take a look at our MACD and our RSI. We did have a cross down here and are making our way back up on the short term. We look at that. We did get below the 30 over here, which we hadn't done back until way back here. Way back here, when GRT was 32 cents, we got below the 30. Finally got below the 30, and we're showing some momentum to the upside. Not really sure where we could be going right now, but if we do look at a long-term scale, I do believe this to be a cup and handle formation, guys, where we could have a breakout in the next few weeks. We're talking few weeks here, guys, not months, not years. Next few weeks, getting a bounce up and going to hit that $1 area. I just wanted to provide you guys a quick update of GRT. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I will catch you guys in the next one.